Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Thursday. I guess maybe I should say potentially sad Thursday. Kind of a shitty day today. I'm not gonna lie. Um, I I had a long day personally, and the market, doesn't make it any better. The market looks like crap. Bitcoin looks like crap, but we are holding this lower trend line, which is quite nice. Let's see. This lower trend line is kind of a sloppy support from previous support area. Bull markets do have like 20, 30, 40% pullbacks, so we weren't not expecting this. It is quite a violent one though, and it is decimating altcoins, which is it's sad. It's very sad. The fractal from yesterday, unfortunately, has been invalidated. Trash fractal, if you will. Let's check our liquidation heat map. Sorry I'm late today, guys. Unexpected bullshit at work caused me to not be able to fucking leave until like 20, 30 minutes ago. And I want to kill someone. But I'm not going to. Let's see. We got... I gotta put this all in the proper spot. 95, 719. Jeez. Okay. And then above, we got a couple of them above. We got 98, 557. And then we got a nice thick boy at, let me go to this. I'll just go to this one. 99, 503. And then we got one more real thick one at 101, 585. Oops. And this one's going to be a little bit thicker. So there's our liquidation points. A lot more liquidations above than below, but I would not be surprised to see the price continue to get pushed to the downside just because we're not allowed to have fun. Hoff said, I even messed up my troll. Shake my head. What was your troll, Hoffs? I didn't see it. Just have fun said no sound. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really know. We can go through the charts. Charts look like shit. ETH is dying. Sol is dying. Total 3 is dying. Others, Dominance is dying. Ada's dying. Hold up this stupid, pointless orange line, though. Snek is dead. XRP is dying. It's holding up. Actually, XRP is doing really well. I'm impressed with XRP. H-bar also looks really good. Polkadot looks like shit. SUI looks like shit. I'm sorry, I'm being a little lackluster today, guys. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. The market looks like balls right now. More Money said Horizon Zen price prediction 25x looks likely. What's your take? I'll take a look at it in a second. Remind me in like 10 minutes when we're done going through all these charts. Okay. C looks like shit. This thing's dying as well. Cass. If I could, I would short this to 0, but as soon as I open up a short, it's gonna fucking go to a new high. So I'm not going to do anything. Avalanche looks like crap. It was doing great. Avalanche was doing wonderful. All of these big M's. Chainlink holding up quite well, actually. Chainlink looks good. Doge oddly broke out of its accumulation pattern. Looks like shit. Lunk. Thank you, babe. Can you bring me the brush? Yep. And, oh, let's see. Lunk broke below its upper trend line that it was holding for forever. Polygonmatic pole. This thing's been dying. Long overdue. Near also broke through a long-term structure. The green is the last defense for near. Chili's actually looks good. I think I put these levels on here for support, and oddly enough, it's holding those levels. Thank you. Let's see. MicroStrategy closed in the red, 6.6%. Probably doing worse after hours. DXY, a little stagnant. Got a little baby pump after yesterday. Silver looks like shit. NASDAQ looks like shit. S&P looks like shit. Everything looks like shit. Bitcoin dominance. Fuck Bitcoin dominance and fuck Bitcoin. Bitcoin is holding this teal support level. Let me check the chat. John said, not sure I like the late stream. Cashapp said, yeah, it's going to recover as soon as you short. That's exactly what's going to happen. Litecoin really not losing much. Litecoin got a decent-sized pump, didn't it? Hoff said, did you take your profit at $1 on ADA? I did. I de-risked a little bit. I took, I'm not going to say how much. I took a decent chunk of my portfolio out of the market. Blake Vega said, I'm late to the party. Blake, you're not late. I'm late. Welcome, though. Cashapp said, I'm waiting for a 4-hour bull div to print on Bitcoin Cash. It's coming. Oscar B said, I guess there's no point to draw lines if the whole market is down. Yeah. Vahid said 178K. Miguel Gonzalez said, what's going on, JJ? Any good news? Good news is I'm home now. And I did not quit my job. And I'm actively fixing my beard because I look like a homeless man. Because I hadn't had a chance to comb it before I went live. So I had to remove the face cam. You guys are just getting talking Bitcoin chart JJ at the moment. And I also have no mirror. So if I turn the face cam on and my beard looks like shit, it's not my fault. Here we go. Are we ready? Are we ready? That's pretty good for no mirror. Okay. All right. Hoff said, nice. Good, nice job on the take profit. Thank you, Hoffs. It was not a, oh, Hoff said to do this thing. It was a fuck the market, fuck the world, I'm taking my money kind of thing. Oscar said, what do you think about Bitcoin on the weekend? I don't know. So every time the market dumps, my fiance called it before it happened. I always tell her, I'm like, the market looks like shit. She's like, I fucking told you. And then I remember she did tell me. And this was definitely one of those times. And I believe it didn't start on the weekend. But it's usually Sundays when she says these things. Because Sundays, for some reason, look like balls every fucking time she says something about Sundays looking like shit. Which I guess we haven't had in a while. But, I don't know. I gotta get my chai latte. Which the fiance so graciously provided me. So that I wouldn't kill someone. Let's see. We got 16 people watching, guys. Smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Let's see. We did lose a subscriber. They were probably like, because yesterday I was like, I stream every day at the daily close. They were like, where the fuck is this guy? Miguel said I bought 120 USD in Bitcoin at 2 to 3 p.m. Did I do good? Oh, hell no. It's bad. Hoff said, I can't unsee it now. Anderson says, you give the rocks people eyebrow. Oh, it doesn't go away. My face is crooked. I don't do that. That's just how my face is. Like, let me relax. My glasses aren't crooked either. It's my eyebrows. I'm not even going to say the rest because you guys are going to notice. Why do you think I have the camera at a certain angle? It's not pointed straight at my face. Hoff said JJ's wife post in the stream next time. No shit. I was working on the fucking van and I was like, how funny would that be if I'm like working on the van And then I called her and I was like, okay, this is what you need to do. And have her do the stream. I think that would be fucking awesome. So we might set that up because I think that'd be super fun. Anyways, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Check out the description. There's all kinds of fun links down there. You guys can donate to support the channel. You can follow me on Twitter, join our Discord, join the Telegram. Everything's all free, except for the donation thing. Obviously, that part costs money, but you're allowed to choose whether or not you want to do that. You get no benefit from that other than making me happy. Let's see. The alts look like they want to be green, but they also look like they wanted to be green yesterday. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just get a continued shit show until whatever the fuck decides to stop shitting on our fucking dreams. I don't know if it's going to be... I have no idea what it's going to be. Hopefully we get a Santa rally. But if that Santa rally does not result in higher local highs, then it's going to be fucking worthless to me. Because right now, I'm kind of pissed off. I'm not going to lie. I'm more pissed off than I was yesterday, and that's because my bags are down fucking 30-40%. And I'm not a fan of that. I think that's stupid. I will say XRP looks great. The top buyers on XRP are only down 20% right now, which I think is hilarious because everyone's shat all over them for fucking forever. And now they get to shit back. It's a beautiful thing. Sol is getting kind of wrecked right now, which is kind of sad. I'm starting to see a lot of people gang up on Sol, which is kind of pissing me off. And I don't know why. I used to not like Sol. And then I started using it. And now it's just it's ugly to me when people are like, "Ooh, fuck that coin, it's gonna go to zero. It's gonna be the next Terra Luna." Why is that? I don't know. It's a shitty conversation. That's like saying some fucking country is gonna be the result of a terrorist attack or something. That's so weird. That's such a weird thing to say. Oh, people are gonna lose money. Idiots. That's not funny. Nothing's funny about that. It's a shitty joke. More money said Horizon Zen. Thank you for re-mentioning that. Let's go take a look at that. Guys, my knees hurt so bad. My legs hurt. My fucking wrists and arms hurt. Okay, Horizon. I mean, this thing looks amazing. It did not give a crap about that dump. It's only down 18%. It's doing good, just like XRP. From the local bottom, it's up 100%. Actually, local bottom, I would call this local bottom. 125%. This thing looks amazing. Chart-wise, I would normally tell you it's going to have a pullback eventually, but it looks like it did already. 35% pullback, and from there, if you would have bought that bottom, you're up 30% already. Chad Baker said, let's look at purple Bitcoin I bought back into soon. Okay, let's take a look at that in a minute. Let me finish looking at this. Yeah, this thing looks great. I would just exercise caution. You want to make sure that you're not experiencing a double top kind of situation here. This is a historical resistance, so just be careful. Yeah, no, it looks like it's doing good. Also, make sure that this pattern isn't repeating, even if it is slightly different. What the hell? Yeah, just make sure that you're not doing this, because that would suck. It's like the same but different. So yeah, just watch yourself. If you lose, what I would say is if you lose this level, or even this level, maybe consider taking some off the table. Not financial advice. You want to see support at 12. From that point, you got to make your own decision on what you want to do. Whether you want to DCA some more or take some off the table, that's your call. Let's go look at purple Bitcoin. Really quick, Cashapp said after yesterday saying how next year's inflation will pause cuts, everyone's going to take profits massively for a bit. Everything all-time high. Nothing's all-time high. Bitcoin and Sol are at all-time high. XRP didn't even hit all-time high. Miguel said, should I buy Monero? What are your thoughts on Monero? I like the privacy aspect, but there are more privacy coins coming out as well that are supposedly going to kind of take its place. I feel like Monero did get shit on recently, but I think they've recovered from there. So the trade itself has been had. If you like the privacy aspect, and I believe it is also mineable, then you should buy some. It's totally up to you. Cash Oak said, I'm in 25K long scalp. LOL 5 minute. Gotta come back to 200s. Blake Vega said, will you still be streaming during the bear market? Of course. Yes, I will. Cash Oak said, S&P, New York Stock Exchange, gold, oil. All right, let's go take a look at purple Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna stop streaming because I enjoy it, even during the bear market, because there's still charts to look at. I don't know if you guys have noticed, a lot of the stuff that I say every day is kind of a repeat of what I've already said, because the charts can only change so much between yesterday and today. So, but when they do change, there's different patterns and stuff that we see. I'll call it out, but I don't know. I enjoy it because I'm gonna look at the charts anyways. So why not enjoy looking at the charts with an audience? It's more fun that way. Plus, I get to do other stuff too. I like playing video games and stuff like that. So I'll always stream crypto. My goal is to have like a multi niche channel. We got the video games, we got the top 10 stuff, we got the spooky stories, and we got the crypto. And I guess part of that too is to kind of destigmatize crypto, because a lot of people like Daisy, a lot of people like cozy video games, a lot of people like fucking Stardew Valley, D&D, Dungeon Meshi, anime, spooky stories. A lot of people think crypto's a scam. A lot of those people probably think crypto's a scam. And hopefully, maybe through my streams and through my channel, they can kind of look at it and be like, oh, it's not a scam. It's just a speculative asset class with bad actors, just like everything else. Anyways, let's look at purple Bitcoin. Let's see. You got beautiful Anderson said I gives it. The Rock's eyebrow. That's fucking funny. What's it called? Wait. What did Hoff say? The Rock's people eyebrow? What? That's fucking funny. Werewolf Cat said crypto be fine. It does be fine, but it still be annoying. Whoops, sorry guys. But yeah, I agree. Crypto be fine. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. These streams kind of help me woosah, if you will. I wanted to kill somebody at work, and I work by myself for most of the part, so there was nobody for me to kill. Luckily, but I don't know. I guess I could have harmed my van, because that's what was causing the issue. But then that would have made the issue worse, because the point was that I was fixing the van. Basically, if you got to do a control arm on a 2015 Chevy City Express, don't fucking do it. Have somebody else do it, because it's stupid. It's a stupid part. But anyways, this thing's got huge bullish divergence starting back here, right? I would go right here, Boop. Huge bullish div, and you do kind of have a definitive point right here. You want to see that continue up. It could ride here and then break below. You don't want to see that. You want to see it actually get a solidified bounce off of this area. You got really nice volume playing off right there, which actually you got a spike, and then the volume kind of sustained itself, and then it got really little, very low volume, and then it spiked, and then it exploded, and now there's a lot more volume right now. You want to kind of sustain that higher volume with these moves, and then you'll get continued price action. Otherwise, you can still get continued price action to the upside. It'll just take a little bit longer, and you'll have to wait for like the price and volume divergence, which will result in a pop eventually. But it is quite surprising to see this big violent move, and then the following move after that have a lot less volume. can still be a pretty decent sized move. But right now it looks quite good. What else can I say about it? There's no bearish div, which is good. There's no bearish div at all, which is really good. So yeah, $6 million market cap, 313,000 in liquidity. Yeah, I'd say it's good. That's on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so what I would do for this bullish div, the 1 hour you got the bullish div. You also have it on the 4 hour, but I would wait for a more definitive bounce right here before trading that personally. Unless you're trading on the 1 hour, then you better keep an eye on it. Let's see what the chat says. Werewolf Cat said it's going to touch 91K. Seeing that on 50 EMA Cloud. No big deal. Buy some down there. Cashapp said, I mistrust the process from 4 mil. I just have been losing trades and didn't lock in. LOL. One of the biggest lessons I learned is don't force trades. You don't always have to be in a trade. The market's not going anywhere. If you don't see a move, don't force a move, and don't try to fabricate a move, because that's usually how you end up getting screwed. WF Capital said, where the F you at? WF Capital, I almost murdered an inanimate object today. That's where I'm at. Miguel Gonzalez said, I'm sipping on some homemade kombucha, chilling at home right now, listening to this chill-ass podcast. Is this a chill-ass podcast? I like that it's a chill-ass podcast. Cash Oak said, oh, I read that already. My bad. Anyways, Bitcoin still looks like crap. Alts are slowly starting to recover. Maybe, will this be the catalyst for alts kind of like saying enough is enough and Bitcoin dominance taking a huge dump and alts starting to do their own thing finally? Because that would be a beautiful thing. ADA does have this orange trend line from the inverse head and shoulders. It does seem to be wanting to hold that, which is the same line that it went down to last time we got this big dump. So it would be cool to see it hold that. Do I think it could go lower still? Probably. I do have to warn you guys though, I will get into a pessimistic point where I think everything's just doom and gloom. So maybe don't listen to me when the market's down bad. Right now, I'm just being cautious. But like later, if I'm like, everything's going to zero, it all sucks, screw this, probably don't listen to me. Just watch for the entertainment value at that point. Hoff said, I downloaded Off the Grid for PS5 today. It is badass. I see what you like in it. Dude, they updated the crap out of it too. I haven't even played it since they updated it. It's fun. It was fun before it was fun in early access. Werewolf Cat said, I can picture you cursing Jerome Powell at the tire shop when a lug nut is too rusty. Dude, I used an impact today for like the 4th time in my life, and it blew my mind. It like solved all my problems, and then it didn't. There was other problems that an impact couldn't solve, and then I wanted to kill somebody again. So there was multiple. Today was like an onion of problems. There was just multiple things. Every time you peel back another layer, you're like, I solved that problem. There was a new problem. And you're like, fuck. It was an absolute shit show. Chartface, great name, by the way, said first I can't talk. First superhero meme coin with a song. Chartface is going to blow up the charts. What do you got, Chartface? Give me a link or something. I like music. Is it just Chartface? What the fuck? Come on, Google. Get your shit together. What the hell is that? Face Dow? Yeah, hook me up with a contract address or a link. Chartface. The Heat said when 9 p.m. contest. See that now it's not. That's why I was so pissed off, because I missed the daily close. I was so fucking mad. Today was the first time in my entire life that it crossed my mind quitting my job because of how pissed off I was. And it's not even my job's fault. I was just that mad. I was like, fuck this job. It was fucking stupid. But I was like almost done. And then I was almost done. And then I was almost done. And I was almost done. And then it was fucking 6:30. And I was almost done. And I was like, motherfucker. Oh my gosh, it was infuriating. But yeah, we're probably not going to do... We'll do the contest today. We'll do the $15. We're not going to do the $100 potential, because the market's not moving. So we will do the contest. But the max prize is $15. Chartface said, thanks, bro. You're a legend. Chartface. Here, let me tag you. Yeah, I want to check that out. Send a contract address or a website. And no, you're a legend. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. Man, look at how boring Bitcoin's doing. Did you guys see? What did my thumbnail say today? I might have gotten a little out of hand with the thumbnail. I was like gonna put swear words in it and stuff, and I was like, I need to calm down. I think I put fuck this in the speech bubble at one point, and then I was like, no, I can't put that in there. John said, no, my precise powers of price prediction only apply to the daily close. You don't have to participate, John. Hoff said, on the weekly, Bitcoin's still in an uptrend. Werewolf Cat said, I've had a PS5 since they came out and still haven't found a good PS5 specific game to play. Werewolf Cat, play the original The Last of Us. It is a PlayStation exclusive. It's not a PS5 exclusive. Actually, that's not even true anymore. I believe they released it on PC, so never mind. I end up playing my PS4 for games. Yeah, the PS5 is kind of a glorified paperweight. I hate to tell you. Neil Druckmann completely butchered The Last of Us 2, in my opinion. I'm not going to spoil anything. I don't recommend you play it, though, especially if you enjoyed the first game. Hoff said there isn't really exclusivity in gaming systems now. That's because everything's just a PC. You're literally paying extra money for a PC with limits on it, and you have to pay. I understand your argument. You had a good argument the other day, Hoff. You said sometimes I just want to turn on the console, sit on the couch, and play a fucking game. That is actually the best argument for consoles anyone could ever make, and it's that being the best argument. It's a little mediocre, but at that point, get a Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch is great for like casual gaming, and there's fun games on the Switch. They got AAA games on the Switch. I don't know. The PlayStation and Xbox are so ungodly overpriced now. It makes me sick. It makes me sick. Bitcoin dominance hopefully coming down. Guys, I'm congested. My nose is a little bit plugged. Yeah, see, Werewolf Cat said consoles are PC for cavemen. That's pretty accurate. But I also saw Hoff's argument. I do like the Nintendo Switch. I do. In my opinion, Nintendo is the only console that should exist anymore. Ugh. Well, I don't think that we're getting a contract address or a link from Chartface, unfortunately. I did want to look at that project, though. Do you think it'd be on Pump Fun, maybe? Maybe it's on Pump Fun. Let's try to find it. Chartface. No. What is it? One word? Oh, I found it. Why can't I click on it? What's happening? There we go. Dude, Pump Fund needs to like combobulate their website. What the hell is this? Hello? There you go. Ooh. Okay, here we go. We got a website. Let's go. Okay, it's a Telegram. Shit. All right. Rising from the strike of a match, Chartface saves the dump space. Is there a Twitter? There's no Twitter. I mean, it looks... I like the pictures. Cool. That's about it, though. I need more to go off of. I was promised a song and stuff. Purple Bitcoin. That potential divergence playing out right now. Maybe. Bitcoin dominance coming down. We got 3 more minutes until we start taking guesses for the 9 p.m. close contest, guys. Little substitute for the daily close contest. Hoff said, well, you can play 4K Blu-rays on the PS5, but I digress. You can also play 4K Blu-rays on the PS4, Hoff. So, Chartface said I have an X account. Okay, let's go check that out. When is Twitter going to optimize this? Oh, there it is. Let's go. Okay, 28 followers. Where's the song? Where's the song? Is there a song yet? Nope. Let me know where I can listen to that song. Oh, is this it? Ooh. Wait. Okay, ready? Hold on, it's quiet. It's quiet for you guys. Hold on, I'm sorry. Here we go.
Green wax warrior in the night, flame so bright he's ready to fight. Flickering, glowing candlelight, red wax foes tremble in sight. In the dark hall past midnight, candles line up ready for a bite. Wicks ablaze but they lack his might, green candlestick won't take flight. He's lighting up the sky, green hero never shy. Red candles he'll defy, watch those villains cry. He's lighting up the sky, green hero never shy. Red candles he'll defy, watch those villains cry. His wax melts but he stands tall.
Okay, I love it. I fucking love it. That was beautiful. The only thing that I will say is I started to giggle at the beginning because it does kind of look like he's farting out flames. But the song is beautiful. And I like the green candlestick. The gimmick. It does it for me. It does something for me. I enjoyed that. Thank you for showing us. That's pretty cool. Guys, Bitcoin currently at 97,031.38. We are going to do a 9 p.m. Let's see, 9 p.m. contest as a substitute. Guys, get your guesses in. First 10 guesses. Let's see. John said muted. I know he's full of shit. Let's see. Werewolf Cat said, I've got our old-ass Christmas DVDs. Christmas Vacations, Die Hard. They look old as hell, too. When you play them, low resolution. No 4K about it. Werewolf Cat bought his DVDs on the street in New York. Miguel said, I hear it, unfortunately. My Werewolf Cat said, my ears are bleeding. Blastoise said, I'm gay now. Oh, shit. Disclosure Crypto said, Gary Network, I'll take a look at that in a minute. Blake said, your giggle deserves 500 subs. I would love 500 subs. Miguel said, Pump Fun looks scary. It is pretty scary. Chartface said, tell me you're not bullish on a superhero. I know, I'm fucking bullish on a superhero. Chartface said, we'll send some super chat next stream. Chartface, I don't have super chats enabled. Send some subscribers next stream because I need 500 subs in order to enable super chats. But I appreciate you. I appreciate the sentiment. Let's see, we got some guesses. If you want to donate, you can donate directly to me. There are some links in the description. But if you want to super chat, then you're gonna have to wait until I'm at 500 subs, which hopefully should be soon. Dave Band is here. Is that Dave Matthews Band? John probably loves Dave Matthews. Guys, this contest, the maximum prize for this one, because I fucked up and ended up having to work late like a dumbass. The maximum prize for this contest is only $15. But, oops, you only have to nail the first 5 digits. If you nail all 7, then you'll still get something. You'll still get something, but it won't be $100. Let's see. Anybody else? We got Werewolf Cat. We got Pokey Seraphim. Copy. Miguel. Okay, guys. I think that's it. I think that's 10. Let me double check. Jesus, John. Oh, fuck. I'm fucking up my whole stream. Oh, Werewolf Cat, I got some more. Again? I think I just copied it twice. Okay, hang on. Oh my gosh, there's too many people. Dave is all excited because we're live right now. 41 watchtower. I don't know what that means. Werewolf Cat is like putting subliminal messages in the chat. No subliminal messages in the chat, guys. Holy shit. Dream Tanks TV. I feel like it's been a while since I've seen you, man. Welcome back. Welcome back to the land of the the bear market. Ooh. We got band members in the chat. That's fucking cool as shit. All right, that's it, guys. We're cutting it off. I'll take chart face. Damn, you guys are popping off today. We got 29 people watching. You guys are crazy. Normally we only do 10. I'm gonna go over that today because, I mean, it's a 9 p.m. It's not even a freaking it's not even a daily close contest. So what's the point of following the rules? Closest without going over wins bragging rights if you nail the first 5 digits. Unfortunately, because Bitcoin took a little dumpy poo. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win you win $15. If you nail all 7, which includes the change, then you'll win something still. You win $15 plus something else. I don't know. Maybe you'll win $20 or something. Okay. Yeah, guys, we normally do this every single day, 10 minutes prior to the daily close. John said, wait, did I guess 9.6 million? Don't fuck with me, John. I don't fucking know. Let me see. No. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. Let's see, how many likes do we have at the moment? We're trying to hit 500 subs before the end of the year, so if you guys could do that, that would be amazing. Zhao AI said, check out Evo. I will check out Evo as soon as the contest is complete. We got 14 likes. You guys nailed that 10 like stream goal. Very cool. Appreciate you guys. We have 402 subscribers. Very nice. I don't know what happened. We like hit 390, and then the subscriber thing just started blowing it up. Zhao AI said, I think I found a gem. Eve Node, Evo, ultra low cap. Dave Band said I'm winning. For sure. Okay, I didn't put him in order. I got to put him in order. I still got 5 minutes. 96,982, 96,999, Very cool, Hoffs. Guys, in case you are new and you're not aware, there's some deep lore between me and Hoffs. Hoffs lost the contest. Like, the cream of the crop, the $100 prize by 1 penny. He was over by a penny. Just in case you guys weren't aware. Blastoise, 96,898, 97,2. So this is higher than everybody. Copy. Jesus. Paste, okay. 96,674. So this goes right here. 95,954. That goes right there. 96,988. Copy 988. 96,988. Okay, so that goes below hops. 98. So this goes above everybody. I like your guess, Miguel. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Miguel Gonzalez. Is that cultural appropriation if I try to say things with the accent? 96,555. 96,555. Right there. And then 96,569. Copy, copy, copy. 96,569. And then what's that last one? 96,750. Copy, copy, copy. 96,750, 750, 750. Bam, 96,750. Okay, who do I think is going to win? We are currently 96,303. We got 3 minutes left. 96,328. I think Fahid's going to take it. This is who I think is going to win. And if I guess the right winner, then you guys have to share the stream on social media. I don't care if you only have Facebook. I don't care if you have fucking MySpace. You have to share the stream if I pick the right person. Let's see. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. I've said John's guesses proves he still writes checks. Chiptooth Zabel said, Enco said, how low are we going? I'm not sure. John said, whoa. Don't effing forget to mention who he lost to. This guy. Yeah, guys, John wins every single time. It's kind of a mess. Blastoise said, Bitcoin is being a little bitch. I agree. Dave said, going to work today cost me 156x. The one I posted in the Telegram was called at 35K. Damn. I saw that too. Oh no. It was while I was at work as well. Chiptooth, Zybel, and Co. said, what's that? We're doing the daily close contest, but we're doing it at 9 p.m. because I missed the daily close because I was busy at work. Blastoise said, JJ, doing some DayZ tonight? Of course. I need to pop some heads because I don't want to take out my anger on my van because then I'll have to fix it. John said, shake my fucking head. Miguel said, I only got Twitter. Miguel, Twitter is the perfect spot for sharing the stream. I appreciate you. Ooh, we got 27 people watching. We got 2 minutes remaining in the 9 p.m. close contest. Who's going to take it? See what I mean? I said it's super sideways, and it's super sideways. It's going to be the same thing that it always is. If you guessed 96,255, you probably would have nailed it. That's going to be my guess. Even though it's like way ahead of when I said you guys could stop guessing. My guess doesn't mean anything. We got 1 minute left. This is the candle that determines the fate of the winner. What's going to happen? Is it going to spike up? Is it going to spike down? Is it going to spike sideways? Am I going to watch Home Alone tonight? Possibly. It's a good movie. Less than 1 minute remaining. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 8:59 p.m. Was that it? Nope, not yet. We're getting a little green, Okay. 96. Oh, there it is, there it is. The close is 96,319.99. Let's write that down, 96,319.99. Closest without going over, or if anybody that nailed it, 96,319.99. Werewolf Cat is the winner. Let me just double check. 98, 97, 96, 99, 96, 98, 96, 98, 96, 89, 96, 750, 96, 67, 96, 56, 96, 55, 95, 954. Werewolf Cat is the winner. Congratulations, Werewolf Cat. You won bragging rights. Closest without going over, guys. Spam the bananas in the chat for Werewolf Cat. Send your unsolicited nudes to Werewolf Cat. You get no choice. That is what you agreed to when you signed the YouTube Terms of Service. I'm sorry. That's why you got to read the fine print. Woohoo! Very cool. Great job, Werewolf Cat. Go back to the 4 hour. Let me zoom out a little bit. A little bit. Werewolf Cat is the winner. Woohoo! Nice. We got a wall of bananas from John. Very cool. John's a good sport. And that's why he keeps winning. Coin Operated said, first time here. What's up, brother? What's going on, Coin Operated? Appreciate you for stopping by. Chiptooth Zabble & Co. said, slam a snack. Ooh, I'm a snack maxi. Blake Vega said, good luck keeping up with the chat when you have 1,000 subs. I'm going to have to enable slow mode, and then I'm going to have to miss people. That's why it's nice right now. You guys can interact more. Blastoise said, LMAO, Home Alone will be on every night. Dude, I love Home Alone. I turned it on last night. I don't remember. I watched some YouTube video about all the different Home Alone movies, and my daughter's never seen it. She's 13. I was like, do you want to watch it? She's like, sure. I was like, fuck yeah. So I turned it on, and I fell asleep, and it was the coziest, like, I've fallen asleep in a long time. Chartface said, go, you beauty. L.I. Lip said, short, $10, 500x leverage. Jeez. John said, congratulations. Where? Hoff said, LOL, Blake, we need to guess that the subscriber count where he can't do it anymore. I mean, it's right now. Werewolf Cat said, I drew lines on the chart. Poop. Dave spam bananas. John spam bananas. Chartface said, well done, bro. Blake Vega went, ooh. John said, taint and ballsack picks coming shortly. Zhao AI said, the only thing that sketches me out is I cannot find the team when I Google names. That's right, Zhao. What did you want me to look at again? Ricky Ricardo Crypto said, can't y'all believe Pudgy Penguins Pengu 2 billion plus market cap for a Walmart toy and NFT? Yeah, dude, that's marketing. That is the power of marketing. Chiptooth said, just shared on my X. Appreciate you, Chiptooth. Appreciate you very much. Miguel Gonzalez said, I grew up in North Illinois. He got the setting right in Home Alone. Yeah. Yep. I believe it's John Hughes, isn't it? Home Alone? I just figured that out yesterday. My daughter was like, it sounds like Harry Potter. And I was like, it's the same composer. What's his freaking name? John Williams? Is it John Williams? Yes, John Williams literally has composed like every generation's childhood. It is crazy. The dude is an unstoppable legend. Total badass. Eve. So Evo is what Zhao AI wanted me to look at. Thank you. Contract address helps so much. Thank you. TikTok Tube said, how about we spam hacks and pulse chain? You guys can spam whatever you guys want. Thank you, John. John said, John Williams. Werewolf Cat said, Jingle All the Way is funnier than it gets credit for. Phil Hartman antagonizing Arnold. Dude, I love Jingle All the Way. I also really enjoyed Christmas with the Cranks. Hoff said, I refuse to recommend Christmas movies with John M here. All right, let's go take a look at this. We got the contract address. Very cool. Thank you, Zhao. Oh, man. Whoa. Oh, my goodness. Evenode Layer 1 blockchain. It's on ETH. Okay. $434,000 market cap. Let's get an RSI in here. Let's see. Okay, Go Plus Security doesn't like the trading cooldown, buy tax, sell tax, or whitelist. I'm okay with these because they're publicized. Quick and tell. Yeah, so there's a buy tax and a sell tax, which means if you buy it, you basically have to wait until you are up at least 10% in order to make profits. Token Sniffer likes it, though, which is weird. Token Sniffer's been broken lately. Holder count looks good. What I like to see is the liquidity always has to be on top. If it's not number one, I'm not buying it. And if number two can rug the liquidity pool, I'm not buying it. This looks great so far. There's no telltale signs of a rug or a honeypot. The 4 hour looks nice. It's increasing over time. Maybe, I don't know. I would probably want that 4 hour RSI to cool down. But the 1 hour looks good. Yeah, I do like this. I do. Let's check out the Twitter. Twitter is more important to me than the website, because the website's just going to tell me what they do. It's just going to be like a Wikipedia page, but it's like self-written. My main thing is the marketing aspect, and people care more about social media than this. Who's a supervillain? Are these AI? These are AI photos. This is suspicious. Ravix Dan, CEO, visionary leader behind EveNode steering project. Yeah, these look like characters from a from an anime visual novel. Martian. David Tan. This is the only one that kind of looks like a real picture. This is like a Ed Snowden fanfic. This is like Draco Malfoy if he wasn't blonde. And this is like a picture of someone's dad put through an AI. Distribution. Okay, liquidity. I like that. Burn, marketing, DeFi, bridge. So I do like the distribution. Let me go check out their Twitter. Let's see, Cyberscope. Okay. Smart contract audits. Okay, so it is real. 800 plus KYCs, 1 billion assets secured, 2,200 smart contract audits. So they got an audit from a credible company. Let's see. Cyberscope, please read the full audit report. Yeah, I would go through this actually. 81% low risk. So it's secure. I mean, this kind of tells you everything you need. This is a beautiful website. Where can I buy some Cyberscope? 9 unresolved. What is that? Okay. Immutable declaration improvement, missing error message, missing events emission, redundant safe math library. Likely not a honeypot. I mean, that's kind of all I need to know. Honestly, ownership has been renounced. The code is visible. The total supply, circulating supply, burned amount, decimals, no proxy. I like it. The audit tells me everything I need to know. They are active on Twitter. Yeah, this looks great to me. It really does. You might be onto something with that. Let's see. Zhao said the comments on CoinMarketCap are sketchy too. They look botted. They probably are. They have money for marketing, so that's unfortunately kind of what you have to do to market your project. Marketing when it comes to crypto is still in its infancy, but the ones that do it right do really well. John said, don't want to hear me trashing your shitty movie taste. John said, okay, I'm going to have to take a call from the next former future Mrs. M soon. Zhao said, bubble map slightly concerns me, but I'm not the best at reading it. Dave said, I always like to watch Elf at Christmas time. Elf is another go-to. We watch Elf. We watch, The Polar Express is our Christmas Eve movie. And then I really like Klaus on Netflix. Great movie. Especially if you have kids. Great Christmas movie. Zhao said, team scares me. I've Googled all of them. Can't find one. Yes, the team is definitely AI. 1000%. David Tan I could, but I'm not sure if it's him or another. Yeah, it's definitely, their team is AI. So it could be a very, very clever. If it is a scam, then the scams are getting more sophisticated, and that's scary. TikTok tube said everyone liked the stream. Of course, Peter said someone sell me some fart coin for $1. Zhao said the comments on CoinMarketCap are sketchy. We looked at that. He said they look botted. Blastoise said CoinMarketCap is bots. Hoff said Family Man is an underrated Christmas movie that no one talks about. I don't know if I've ever seen that. Zhao said, well, that explains it. Blastoise said, yeah, don't watch them comments. Peter said, someone who has Fartcoin. TikTok Tube said, the mainstream industry seems to dislike Richard Hart products. Do you have an opinion on that? Okay, so Hex, the chart looks awful. Pulse Chain, on the other hand, Pulse Chain actually looks like a redemption to me right now at the moment. I feel bad for Richard Hart because I feel like people don't look into anything and they just shit all over him. And I feel like he takes it really well, but that's kind of the facade that he puts on. Who knows what it's like behind closed doors. And I feel sympathy for him because I feel like a lot of creators, a lot of blockchain leaders get shat on the same way. So I do have sympathy for the guy. I don't know if I would trust him with my life savings. I don't know if I would trust any of these people with my life savings. I've a healthy diversification of my portfolio, but I feel like when people like they get personal with it, I feel like that's unnecessary and weird. So Pulse Chain, I've looked at the chart, I've looked at the ecosystem. It looks like a decent play. But I, much like everything else I talk about, I could never advise people to put all of their money into one thing. Zhao said if we can get another pullback on it, I'm going in. Pokey Seraphim said check out Telos. Has EVM building ZK EVM and centralized exchange Q1 2025 low cap jump. John said, uh-oh, Hoffs, it's the end of the world. You and I agree on Family Man. It's the Family Man, though. Hoff said you watched it finally. Flexa said low stakes in shitcoins, play safe. Of course. John said, what the F are you talking about? I saw that shit when it came out. Flexa said, evening, fellas. Ayo, JJ, what's going on, Flexa? Hoff said, does Crypto Stash still talk NFTs? I think he does. I think he's focusing a lot more on games, actually. Pete said, like the stream and subscribe if you're new. Of course, yeah. Guys, we're trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the year. I think we can do it. TikTok Tube said he's not running, he's fighting them. Exactly. Oh, Flexa. Isn't Richard Roman from the SEC? See, the problem that I have with the SEC for a metric is they suck. Like, if they were competent and they actually like sued bad players all the time, then maybe them suing Richard Hart would be like ooh, we should keep an eye on that. But the SEC sued everyone. So it's kind of like a boy who cried wolf thing. They might be right about him. They might be wrong. But their track record doesn't look good. I would rather give my money to Richard Hart than Gary Gensler. I'll give you that much. I fucking hate Gary Gensler. I can't fucking stand the guy. I think he's a slimy little fucking turd. And I think that that's actually an insult to slimy little fucking turds. Okay. Somebody asked me to look at something. Telos. Let's go take a look at Telos. Okay. Oh god, John's talking about football now. He's probably deflecting because I'm whooping everyone's ass in fantasy. Okay. So Pokey Seraphim said, check out Telos. Has EVM building, ZK EVM, and centralized exchange Q1 2025 low cap gem. Okay. Chart looks okay. Getting a decent sized pullback. They're listed on HTX, MXC, Gate.io, BingX, Bitmart, KuCoin, BitGet. Let's see. Market cap is 89 million, so it's a pretty low cap. Looks like they're active on Twitter. It's cool that they have a Spanish Twitter as well. That's actually really neat. 4 hours ago. They're still talking. Yep. Marketing looks good. Ooh. What? They got these sick ass NFTs? So is this a layer 1? I like this. This looks fucking cool. Reward-based gaming. So they're getting into gaming for sure. Show your conviction, update your profile picture. Bing X, no lag, no drama, just Telos. Was that one of the options? It was not. Okay. Oh, yes, it was. I'm sorry. Bing X right here. Okay. There's an arbitrage opportunity between Bing X and BitGet. I mean, it looks like they're super active and oddly dedicated towards gaming, which is really cool. I actually kind of like this. I don't know what the price action is doing, but it is a really low cap. If they could pick up Steam marketing, I feel like they would have a decent sized chance. Presto Labs has invested into them. It's number 479 right now. I do quite like it. Flexa said, Ethena, full rounded bottom on the daily, looking strong. Ando looking strong. Nothing's looking strong right now, Flexa. Don't do that to me. Don't give me hope. I don't remember what that's from. It's a great quote, though. Ooh. Look at this, is lovely. A nice little parabola forming. I like that. Hopefully it doesn't do this next. I do like that though. It's nice, very nice and rounded. And then what else did you say? Ando? Guys, my nose is plugged and it's bugging the shit out of me. Ando actually does look good as well. This also has the parabola. My only concern with this would be, is it gonna do this? You know what I mean? Because then my impatient ass would be pissed. Right here, I would be like, fuck this coin. Even though it's right the fuck here right now. The second it went a little bit lower, oh man, I would be so pissed off. I think one of the biggest things that we got to look at right now on all of our charts is the RSI. The daily on Bitcoin, right about the middle. ETH, looking actually pretty decent on the lower end. Sol, pretty close to oversold. Total 3, sitting at about 40. ADA, sitting at about 40. SNEC, sitting at about 40, almost at about 40. XRP, 50. HBAR, 50. Polkadot, 30, 35. SUI, 50. C, oh, I was like, whoa, it was gone for a second. This one's almost oversold as well. 29.30. Cas, 30. Avalanche, 40. Chainlink, 50. Doge, 30. Lunk, 30. Polygon Manic Pole, 35, 40. Near, 30. Chili's, 40. So yeah. And that's just on the daily. The weekly is another one to look at, but we've also seen the weekly remain overbought for forever during the bull market, so it's not really much to look at. It is re-entering. We might get one of these where Bitcoin takes a little poop for a minute and then it goes bam. But that weekly does look pretty fugly. Is it gonna just recreate what it did previously with this downward channel? It could. It could. I don't know. We're gonna go all the way down to 82. It's gonna be choppy garbage all the way through Christmas. That would suck. Oh, maybe I have to adjust my posture. Hold on, let me sit. Just sit like an idiot in order to clear my fucking nostrils. Hoff said Ando was doing well before this dump. Flexa said, ha ha ha. Hoff said JJ likes taking profits on drops, not taking profit on the way up. I just don't want. I get to a point where the price goes down and I'm like, I could sell some right here. And then I'm like, no, it's going to recover. And then it goes down more. And then after I've done that so many times, the second time I go, I could sell some here. I do it. Because it usually goes down more after that. And it has. It has gone down a couple of times since then. And I feel a lot better because now I have money that isn't fucking deflating. Just saying. It really sucks too when you don't need the money. Because then you take profit and then you're just sitting there like and then you're like looking at it and I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, what do I care if I fucking make 5% by taking profit right now and buying back in like a week? I don't know. It's kind of silly. It's kind of silly. Everyone's got their own way of doing things, though. Maybe I'll just keep that money. Because the market does look like doo-doo right now. Look at ETH. What a joke. Is Sol going to do the thing? It's almost perfectly followed my lines for a minute. It's got to bounce, though, in order for me to feel like a genius, in order for me to be able to brag about it. It has to bounce. Is there any structure anywhere that anything's holding on to? Maybe it's this. This looks ugly. Never mind, it's not that. Is it that? Maybe it's this. I mean, kinda. Is that the bounce area? Does this connect to anything? No. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, let's see. Dave said I sell at a loss every time I buy a token on Solana. Royal Flush Electric said, is Sol a good buy while the market's down? That's up to you. A lot of people are funding it right now. A lot of people, and that's always been weird to me. The reason I like Sol, especially now, is because their metrics are starting to lap ETH. They're starting to make more money than ETH, and when you consider the idea that ETH fees are like 20 times more Sol fees, and you realize Sol is making more money on fees, technically speaking, if you do the math, Sol would have 20 times as many people transacting on it than ETH because of the way the fees work and the fact that Sol is starting to make more money than Ethereum. ETH has been incredibly underperforming this time around. Kind of got a triple top thing going on too. Jesus. There we go. Fahid said 22 likes. Let's bring it to 30 likes. Royal Flush Electric said, oh yeah, I read that already. Greg said, okay, Bitcoin has dropped down to where it was at the beginning of the month. Big deal. I've been in Bitcoin since 2015. If you can't handle 30% swings, buy U.S. Treasury bonds. Flexa said, I bought Sol because some Latina I was with at the time said it means sun and I should buy it. It was $7. Wow. Hoff said, probably a time to buy Sol if you don't have any. And Flexa said, winged it. The ladies have good insight, man. They really do. I don't know if it's like a retail psychology thing, but it works. It really does. We got 27 people watching. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you smash the like button. Yeah, definitely an interesting time in the market. So I want to say this is a lower low, but if you zoom out, it is still structurally bullish, because this would be the low. It could go right here and still be bullish. Oh my gosh, imagine that. People would freak out if ETH went to 2,500. Holy crap. It's over. Let's see. Sol could go to freaking 160. Actually, that wouldn't be bad either. That wouldn't be that bad. 20. What's another 20%? You know, it's already down freaking 25. Once you've been through the bear market, this is like a breeze. It's still, you know, you're still allowed to get pissed off. Just don't react emotionally with your bags. That's what's nice about having your stuff in like a self-custody wallet. It's a process. You can't just take profit. You can't just click sell on Coinbase or whatever and then you're like, fuck this, I'm done. Because that's a quick emotional like knee-jerk reaction. With self-custody, you have to be pissed the whole time and you have to go, I'm gonna convert, I'm gonna send everything to Coinbase. I'm gonna convert everything to my native currency and then send it to Coinbase and then I'm gonna sell it. And then like while you're sitting there, you're like looking at it and then you're like, this is stupid. Why am I doing this? So it's nice. You get some time to think about it. Some time to reflect. Dave said base chain has low transaction fees and not as many JEETs as Sol. Flexa said I swear it works too. LMAO. WF said trust the process. Let's go check on trust actually. Okay. You got that swing up. Now it's chilling. RSI is, or it got oversold for a second. So you had the swing up, retrace. You had this swing up, retrace. It doesn't take a long time after the retrace to continue to swing up. I guess the only question is, where does it stop? So once you establish a base, you'll be able to make a trade if you want to. Let's do a quick update on our watch list. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Omega, Medusa, Bites. Yeah, everything is kind of dead in the water right now. I will say, I looked at my my Sol wallet the other day, and it is barren. Like, it looks rough right now. Holy crap, we have 405 subs now. Guys, really quick little shameless self-promotion. If you go into the video description, you guys can see some crypto wallets that you can donate to the channel with. Otherwise, you guys can do PayPal, Cashapp, or Venmo. It just helps support the channel. Also help support the channel by signing up with my affiliate links on Coinbase, Bitunix, and Ourbit. Other ways you can support the channel is liking the stream and smashing the subscribe button and sharing the stream with your friends and family, specifically your like-minded crypto friends, or maybe some no-coiners who you want to educate. You guys can follow me on Twitter or X. Join our Discord. It's a really cool like crypto community, family kind of situation. Join our Telegram. Dave shares some really good alpha in there every once in a while. And buy some merch. Another way you guys can support the channel. I do thoroughly enjoy designing merch. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And I will happily design something. So go there, check out what we got. And I appreciate you guys for joining us. Happy Thursday. I'm so excited for Friday, man. I am so excited to not have to go to freaking work on the weekend. I didn't even have a long work week. It was just, today sucked so bad. I was so mad all day. And then I missed the daily close, which like ruined the rest of my day. Fahid said just 4 more likes. Let's do this, guys. Smash the like button. We are almost at 30 likes. That would be monumental for the stream. We only need 4 more. Let's see. Bitcoin. I like the wicks that we got right now. The candles, the way that the candles are closing with the wicks, these are indecisive candles. This means that people don't really know what they want to do with their crypto, with their Bitcoin, with their whatever. Getting some green, which is nice to see. Are we going to have a bullish weekend? I feel like it's been a while since we've had a bullish weekend. The weekend has been kind of just meh lately. And Al says, thoughts on UFD. Let's go take a look at UFD. Unicorn fart dust. Let's go. I'm going to assume that this is actually a DEX screener coin. So let me actually go find it on there because maybe there's more chart data. Yes, let's go. Okay. Look at that. Much more chart data. I love it. Okay, what do we got? This is actually hilarious. Apparently a boomer who's a gold and silver maxi heard about Fartcoin hitting 500 million market cap and decided to create his own meme coin as social experiment in the crypto space named Unicorn Fart Dust. Because that's how he sees money in crypto as nothing but that. It's currently on Pump Fun. He has a YouTube channel. He included it on his Pump Fun page, and he streamed a live video showing exactly why he's doing it and his views on the space from a boomer's perspective. He will be providing updates on that channel as time goes on. If this actually lasts and what happens, I'll link the YouTube below. He explicitly claims that his page is strictly for gold and silver, but he couldn't resist diving into this crypto thing. Why does he look so red? Does he have high blood pressure? It would be hilarious if this thing sends and we completely shatter his perspective on the reality of the space. It could be a great learning experience for him and a great opportunity for someone older to get introduced to the space they never really cared for. What about me? I need to make my own unicorn fart dust. I think this is freaking hilarious. $169.6 million market cap, 3.4 million in liquidity. I think this is badass. I absolutely love everything about it already. Okay. A little sus right here. The liquidity pool is smaller than the top holders. So these guys can sell and rug the liquidity pool. But outside of that, the project is funny and it is in an uptrend. So if you guys want to risk it for a biscuit, it's entirely up to you. Flexa said, LMFAO, unicorn fart dust only in crypto. He looks like I would keep my kids away from him. WF Capital said, Fartcoin, KuCoin listing. Hell yeah. I mean, I think the story is hilarious. I do not like the distribution. This scares me. But whenever I don't like a coin, it usually does really well. So, um, I mean, if it was made on Pump Fun, that's the only thing that you got to look up for is snipers and the holder wallets. That's the only way it technically could rug. That's freaking funny though. Yep, everything looks nice and green, like it's trying. It's trying again. Until Bitcoin shatters everyone's dreams and ruins all the fun again. Which might not happen. This might have been the bottom. That'd be nice. Look at HBAR and XRP recovering very nicely. Polkadot's struggling a little bit. Total 3. I don't know, is that a double bottom? It doesn't really seem like it. There is bullish div though. On total 3 specifically. I don't know if that means much. I've never really actually charted anything on total 3. Let's see. Flexa said there's one called Marbits from another YouTuber, 2-Bit Crypto. It's actually pretty cool. He does on stream marbles. Buyers make the prize pots, etc. I think that's how it works. Not 100% sure. Surprisingly good liquidity. Dave actually shared Marbits in our Telegram before it launched, and I believe it did really well. Yep. Yeah, high liquidity, hasn't rugged. Apparently a lot of people know about this guy. You got bullish div as well. You just need a nice reaction off of this level. I mean, I guess technically this little break right here wouldn't count. You could just make that argument then. There's your bullish div. And you got a reaction right there. So, I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, people know this guy. And they like the coin. Greg said Bitcoin over the counter, 400k Bitcoin. In the exchange reserves, 2.4 million. At the current accumulation rate, they will be drained in 35 weeks or less. Then what? Exactly. Alexa said, yeah, fellow UK lad, if he rugs, I'll go to his house. Oh, shit. Others dominance. Oh. Bitcoin dominance is getting wrecked right now. That's a pretty big red candle. Let's see. How many people do we got watching? Did we get 30 likes? We got 26 people watching. Guys, smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Appreciate you guys for joining me. 407 subscribers. We still have 26 likes. I think we can hit 30. Do you guys think we can hit 30? Oops. I keep doing that. I really want to see Bitcoin have like a positive reaction off of this line right now. This is the line that it's been holding since November, the beginning of November. Guys, don't forget to congratulate Werewolf Cat for winning today's 9 p.m. special close contest. John thinks that we're going to hit 110,000 Bitcoin, $110,000 Bitcoin by December 30th or December 29th, I think he said. We'll see if that happens. Christmas is coming up. I still have a lot of stuff to do for Christmas. I'm scared. Flexa said, gonna go pick up some late night food. I'll be back. What time you going, Daisy? Also, is it worth 40 euro? I would say 100%. Ask WF Capital. He bought it. WF Capital said, Daisy tonight. Absolutely. Greg said, it's a snow day and cold beer night. Many thanks to JJ. Tap that like, show your support. Flexa said, I'm done with COD. COD is shit. Yeah, Flexa, dude, join us and Daisy. What I would recommend, if you do get it, is to play it with people. But look up tutorials. There's a steep learning curve. You will die in the beginning. You're gonna die from starvation. But it's so much fun. WF Capital bought it, and we've been playing, and it's so much fucking fun, dude. Especially on the computer. It's amazing. WF Capital said, no one getting shit from me this year. Fuck them all, treating me like shit. That's great. That's great. Oh my gosh, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm gonna go make some food. I don't think we're hitting 30 likes. Are we gonna hit 30 likes? Oh, we're at 28. I think we can do it. We need 2 more likes, guys. WF Capital went full Nacho Libre. It's the best. Greg said, we're all actors on a loan. Don't overtrade. Make a decision and stick to it. Exactly. Yep. Let's see. ETH up 1.11%. Sol up 2.78%. Get a nice reaction off this line. Total 3 up 2.83%. ADA up 4.14%. SNEC up 2.64%. XRP up 5.12%. Very nice recovery from XRP. Same with HBAR. Both holding their upper trend line support. Polkadot 4.6%. SUI 2.75%. C 3.05%. CAS 4.56%. Still looks like shit though. CAS pisses me off. Fuck CAS. Avalanche 3.86%, Chainlink 3.77%, Doge 4.25%. What's happening? There we go. Also looks like crap. Lunk 4.65% looks like crap. Polygon Matic Pole looks like crap. Near looks like crap. Chili's looks like crap. Some of the market's trying to recover though, which is nice to see. It's nice to see an attempt to be made. Flexa said, yeah, you told me jump in a while back, but I had shit on the move. I'll check it out. Dude, it's so much fun. Flexa, message me on Discord. I'll add you to the group if you buy it. Drew's been playing it with us too. So far, I've converted Drew and WF Capital. It took me like 4 years, and I finally got Daisy friends. Let's see. Do we have 30 likes yet? We got 23 people watching. I think we're at 407 subscribers. We are 1 like away from 30 likes. Greg said, is HBAR and XRP the new lead indicator for Bitcoin? Back in 2015-17, Litecoin was the lead indicator for Bitcoin until Charlie sold out. Yeah, Charlie Lee fucked that whole thing up. I think XRP and HBAR are doing really well right now because of the Fed. They're being used for RLUSD cross-border payments in lieu or in cooperation with the Federal Reserve, and that is confirmed. So HBAR and XRP are both like working with the federal government, which is a big deal. I fucked up my finger while I was working. Flexus said, okie dokie. Let's see how Fartcoin is doing. Ooh, $1.25 billion market cap. Fartcoin looks amazing. Hell yeah. Bearish div resulted in a little dump. That would have been a great entry right there. Broke back above, retested twice, and blasted off to the upside. You'll love to see it. Did set up some bullish div right here, which is what led into the gigantic move to the upside. Very nice. Guys, in a bull market, pay attention to the divergence. It doesn't take much. If the price action is different trajectory than the RSI on the bottom, then that is bullish div. It doesn't matter if it's this way or this way. It's bullish div. If the price action is a different trajectory on the top, that is bearish div. It doesn't matter, again, if it's this way or this way. The only difference there is if it's hidden or just regular divergence, which literally means nothing. I can show you right now. My go-to way to check this would be to just Google it. And this picture right here is super simple. Regular divergence, hidden divergence, exaggerated. Regardless, if you're measuring the top and it's different of the price in the RSI, then it's bearish. If you're measuring the bottom and it's different of the price in the RSI, then it's bullish. That's all you need to know. Fartcoin is farting to the upside, and it looks amazing. Hoff said, you saying Flexa set off my Alexa. Alexa, buy paper towels. Alexa, order Chips DVD. Alexa, order Chips Steelbox DVD limited edition signed by Dax Shepard and Michael Pena. Greg said, indeed, both used for remittance and exporter. In other words, a rug pull waiting to happen. I don't know. They're working with the federal government. I don't know what to tell you. Number go up. Flexa said, LMFAO. I gotta make sure Hoffs gets his favorite movie. Do they even have a steel case? Do they? Oh, okay. It's the show. Damn it. Steelbook movie disc. Lame. How do they not have a steelbook for Chips? The greatest comedy of all time. Oh. Greg said, according to Jerome Powell, they're not allowed to own crypto. Yeah, right. So what he said is that the Federal Reserve is not allowed to own Bitcoin. I believe that's all he said. Something like that. I don't know. But they asked him like a blanket question, and he answered, and then everyone was like, "Oh fuck!" And they all sold their bags like little pussies. B said, have you heard of Unicorn Fart Dust? I have, actually. We just looked at the chart. I think it's a hilarious project. The holders scares me a little bit. There's like 4 or 5 wallets with more money than the amount of liquidity available. But other than that, it looks really funny. And if I had random miscellaneous funds to throw at it, I would. Hoff said she's not sure to help you. Flexa said, he said, we are not looking to change the law on that. But he's not a lawmaker. Yeah, Powell just manipulated the market. Jerome Bowell is what I've been calling him because he shat on my bags and I fucking hate him now. Just shut the fucking door. Just shut the fucking door. Did we hit 30 likes? Let me see really quick. Jerome the Gnome. I will say he's done his job. They just asked him a shitty question. B said, yeah, Jerome fought to dump the market so he could get better entry. Right? Exactly, man. Exactly. We hit 30 likes. We are at 408 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Tomorrow I should be on time for the daily close. Noah Ludwig said the whole U.S. market went down due to easing up on rate reductions. Flexa said, shut the fucking door, bro. Yeah. We were looking at the S&P. The S&P and the NASDAQ have not seen a candle this big on the 4-hour chart, like, ever. Like, it was percentage-wise, yes, but I think the size of it is so dramatic because of where it's at right now. Like, it's sitting at all-time highs right now, and it just dumped 3%. And 3% of all-time highs is a lot more money than 3% of, like, all-time highs 3 years ago. You know what I mean? Yeah, NASDAQ and S&P got wrecked like bad. But we've seen this a million times. This could be the beginning of one of these little ladder down sessions before it starts blasting back to the upside. You know, I don't know. People could be tax harvesting. There's a million different things that it could be. But it did specifically correlate with Jerome Powell. So I'm sure it's specifically entirely related to that. Oh. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance still taking a shit. Yes, it is. This is what we like to see. Guys, this 58.56% is where I marked the 50 daily moving average. Which, if we reject off of that, that would be really good for alts, I think. Finally. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that for sure. But Bitcoin dominance has been playing with my bags. So I'm not going to get my hopes up just yet. But at the moment, it's looking promising. Bitcoin still can't really make up its mind as to what it wants to do. Alts do look like they want to go up, though, which hopefully will continue to push Bitcoin dominance down and trigger an altcoin rally. Even altcoin season. That would be sick. But I'm hesitant to use that word at the moment because Bitcoin just fucked everything really hard by like dropping like 0.5%. Flexa said, right, I'll be back. Much love. Take it easy, Flexa. Appreciate you. Hoff said, the reporters all short, then ask bearish questions. Dude, that's a great idea. I didn't even think of that, Hoffs. Holy shit. That's like next level insider trading. Greg said, I've heard of Fantasy Factory, Carbon 4 brewery in Madison, Wisconsin, that has a unicorn IPA with laser eyes and lightning bolts coming out it arse. I've not heard of that. Noah Ludwig said, I'm still bullish, just waiting for another buying opportunity. I think this is it. Hopefully. I'm only saying that because it supports my bias. But you'll probably get another one, I'm sure. I feel like that happens regularly in this bullshit market. Let's see, have we hit 410 subscribers yet? That would be pretty cool. Bitcoin, why do you do this to me? Look at H-bar's up 5% now. It's like competing. I like that H-bar and XRP are competing, but if you look at it, and it's mainly due to the market cap difference, but H-bar from the local bottom was up at one point 850%. It's still currently up 680%. Whereas XRP from the local bottom was up 475% and is still currently up 360. So HBAR, percentage-wise, did technically outperform XRP, which is kind of crazy. But again, it's literally just because of the way that the market cap works. I'm sure a shit ton of more money flowed into XRP, but because the market cap was already so high, it didn't make a big difference percentage-wise. Chad Jacobs said in 2021, Dogecoin broke out from Bitcoin and made its big break. Do you think that might happen again? I think that's going to happen when alt season kicks off, and I think that that's going to happen mainly because Dogecoin is the meme coin that retail knows best. It's the original meme coin. It's still the highest market cap meme coin, and it's a household name, probably more so than Bitcoin, because people, for whatever reason, talk about it going to $1, and it could actually happen with Dogecoin. Bitcoin, I've talked to my mom. My mom has money. Not like 100K laying around to buy Bitcoin, but when Bitcoin was 17K, I was like, you should buy Bitcoin. She still thought you needed to buy a whole Bitcoin. She goes, that's too much for me. What about this dog coin? Because people like whole numbers. Doge is more attractive on several psychological levels, and it's a household name from last bull market. So I do think Doge will perform well this time around as well. Yes. Greg said, hold fast, pirates. Bitcoin is at the same level it was 2 weeks ago. Alt season will start perhaps in late January, February 2025. Greg, I've been saying 2025 for 3-4 months, and everyone said I was crazy. And now we're at December 19th, 2024, and alt season has not kicked off yet. Greg said HBAR has an advantage over XRP. Why? Ripple Labs, escrow, and early investors, devs hold 50% of all pre-mined XRP. Ooh, Greg laying down the law on Ripple. You love to see it. Guys, make sure you educate yourselves on these projects before you ape into them. Chad said, thanks for the feedback. I have a similar outlook as well. It makes sense, man. It really does. I appreciate you, Chad. If you could subscribe, that would be great. Smash the like button and share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends. We're trying to hit 500 subs before the end of the year. Thank you for stopping by. I'm not normally this nasally sounding. My nose is plugged. I was just working outside for like 8 hours. I'm trying to fix it. Oh, that feels better. It could be better. I don't know. What'd you guys do today? Anyone have any cool plans for the weekend? We're going to a new friend's for like a Christmas party from the play that my fiance just directed. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see. Greg said, take a shot. WF Capital said, cocaine is one hell of a drug. Haha. Yeah, right. If I did cocaine, I definitely would have broke my fucking car. I'm too poor for cocaine. The closest I get to cocaine is fucking chai latte. Let's see if our liquidation points have updated on Bitcoin. I am ready for some dinner. Go to symbol, go to 12-hour. Okay, 96,520. Oh, these did update. Okay, see, this is why we check them. That's a little close for comfort. And then right above, we got 98,009. Ooh, that one's definitely going to hit. And then we got the spicy one up here at 99,499. So that did change. A lot of these changed. Okay. And then another spicy one at 101,603. Okay, this went up a little bit. At least these people have some sense. All right. We got our updated lines. WF Capital said no, flat white. Ha ha ha. Greg said Coke today is way different from the Coke from 30 years ago. Either way, avoid it like the Black Plague. Honestly, the movie Blow with Jack Black and fuck, what's her name? The Mexican lady. She's super attractive. Penelope Cruz. Thank you. Blow with Johnny Depp and Penelope Cruz about George Young. That movie is a brilliant movie. And I don't know, it didn't really glamorize cocaine. I never wanted to try it. To me, if a movie's really good, it makes me want to do things that I shouldn't do. It made me Blow definitely made me want to like sell drugs for Pablo Escobar. Because there's a shit ton of money in it, and it kind of made it look fun until the end, and I'm not going to spoil it. But the one movie that made me want to do an possibly illegal substance is Limitless with NZT48 and what's his freaking name? Bradley Cooper and Robert De Niro's in it. Really good movie, and he becomes like a stock trading genius, but the drug like makes you go crazy eventually. It was literally, I'm pretty sure it was supposed to be about cocaine, but it was very Adderall-esque. Great movie, though. Always wanted to try NZT48. I do believe you can get like a movie prop replica of it on eBay, and it's literally just like a sugar pill or whatever. But it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool because you can get it like packaged and everything. It's neat. But yeah, great movie. Love that movie. That drug, I always wanted to try that drug. Just once. And the ending, ooh, I'm not going to spoil anything. That's going to be the movie of the day. Did I say Jack Black? Hoffs, I did not say Jack Black. Did I say Jack Black? I thought I stumbled up and I noticed I didn't say Johnny Depp. Did I say Jack Black? Because that's fucking funny. Imagine, we should just start shoehorning Jack Black into like remakes of like serious roles. Like imagine Jack Black playing George Young in Blow. That would be fucking great. Let's see, we are at 409 subscribers. Did we hit 410? Still 409. We did hit 30 likes though. Appreciate you guys. Blastoise said Lucy was good. I enjoyed that movie as well. But the movie of the day is going to be, it's going to be Home Alone. I'm sticking with Home Alone. I'm not going to specify though. It has to be one or two. You guys get to pick from there. Oh, I'm going to be a little impatient today though because I'm hungry. So I'm not going to wait for 410 subs. I think we'll get it later. Or maybe that is being patient. I don't know. I guess it depends on how you look at it. But I'm going to call it a night. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your friends and family. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow, this time, for the daily close. Have a good night.